Hi there again, it's Scott with Mr. Water. It is July 11th, 2022, and I'm in Sandy Spring, Maryland. Sandy Spring, Maryland is between Baltimore and Washington, D.C., a little bit closer to Washington, D.C. These folks have some acidic water, large house, a little bit of iron, nothing major to speak of. And so what I did for them is I put in a 6 cubic foot automatic acid neutralizer, 32,000 grain electronic demand water softener, big blue carbon filter, and we were able to keep the existing brine tank they had. It was a pretty good sized brine tank. We kept that. So this system is going to be better on salt than the system they had. This acid neutralizer is 4 times the size of the previous one, and it's going to give them very good water quality. They're going to be very happy.